Have you ever wondered what your brain is doing while you sleep? Even though your body is resting, your brain is actually very busy. Sleep is not just a break from the day. It is an important time when the brain repairs itself, organizes memories, and prepares you for tomorrow. In this video, we'll learn what happens during sleep and why sleep is so important for your brain and behavior. Why do we sleep? We sleep for many important reasons. Sleep helps the brain grow, learn, and stay healthy. While you sleep, your brain fixes tired cells, removes waste, and balances chemicals that control mood and energy. Getting enough sleep helps you focus and remember things better. Stages of sleep. Sleep happens in stages. During the night, your brain moves through these stages again and again. There are two main types of sleep: non-REM sleep and REM sleep. Non-REM sleep, body rest. Non-REM sleep makes up most of the night. During this time, your heart rate slows down and your body relaxes. Deep non-REM sleep helps your body grow, heal, and stay strong. Dream time. REM sleep is when most dreaming happens. Your brain becomes very active, but your body stays still. This stage helps with learning, memory, and emotions. What the brain does during sleep. While you sleep, your brain works like a cleaner and organizer. It keeps important memories and removes unnecessary information. Waste is cleaned out of the brain, helping it stay healthy. What happens if we don't sleep enough? Not getting enough sleep can make you tired, moody, and forgetful. Learning becomes harder, and your reaction time slows down. Sleep is just as important as healthy food and exercise. Sleep and memory formation. Sleep plays a critical role in how memories are formed and stored. During sleep, especially deep sleep and REM sleep, the brain replays information learned during the day. Important memories are strengthened, while less useful details are weakened. This process helps explain why sleep improves learning, problem-solving, and long-term memory. Sleep and emotional regulation. Sleep also helps the brain manage emotions. During REM sleep, emotional centers of the brain become active while stress levels decrease. This allows the brain to process emotional experiences in a safe way. Without enough sleep, emotions can feel stronger and harder to control. Sleep and brain development. Sleep is especially important for brain development. During childhood and adolescence, sleep supports the growth of new neural connections. These changes help improve thinking, decision-making, and emotional control. Even in adults, sleep continues to support brain adaptability and learning. How much sleep do we really need? Sleep needs change across the lifespan. Teenagers and adults typically need 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Quality of sleep is just as important as quantity. Consistent sleep schedules help the brain maintain healthy rhythms and function properly. Sleep is one of the most important things you can do for your brain. Every night, your brain repairs itself and prepares you for a new day. So remember, good sleep helps you learn, grow, and feel your best.